Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to activate your Betterment debit card. If you don't have a Betterment account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get up to $5,000 in assets managed free. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see an option for Activate Card. Click on Activate Card. Next, enter the required information such as the last 4 digits of your card number and your birth date. Then click on Activate Card. After that, create a 4-digit PIN. Enter the PIN you wish to use on the first field. Then enter it again on the second field to confirm. Lastly, click on Create PIN button. That's how you activate your Betterment debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.